Laurie, it's so good to see you.
How many pigment colors should I use? Like 4? How many are you using?
I have 3. You can use 12 if you want to. So is...
I'm not using 12. All right, then I'll use 3 because I like those 3 together. And you guys, I just use the cap.
Oasis. Cynthia, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in.
Hello.
So you are on Facebook, follow along with us and then doing a 3D flowers using a 4D gel. So let us know or just thumbs up. So then we'll walk you step by step. So then we are going to do it together, okay? And then later we are going to Sweet Ambitions. Hello, Vicky and Nancy.
Oh, hello, sweet. Oh, Chevin spent her
CC.
birthday money. That's awesome.
CC said, hey Nancy, hey Vicky, hey CC, hi ICJ. Thank you so much. She said pretty flowers. Sheila's, I order my products. So excited to get my monthly box and so many products. Love, love, love. Thank you so much, Sheila. Sheila's going by Stevens 54. That Stevens 54, I think.
Yeah. Stephanie's all the way from Ecuador, I just seen. Wow.
That's awesome.
That
All right,
is awesome.
so I am going to using brush number 13, like a little single brush. This is really cool because the bristles never sticks on any glitters or is neon pigment. Tiny little cute one, but it works amazing. So just like now I threw away all my sponge, all my little makeup applicators. Well, eyeshadow applicator, right? It's make a mess. This one, it doesn't do anything to you at all. So after that, just using a little paper towel, just wipe all the excess pigments off and you're good to go. So this is a little bit kind of gonna be messy, so be careful. And each of them you can use just
so much easier to hold on to.
Yeah, and then you don't need a whole lot to go. So want to do similar like this. It doesn't have to be an accessory exact the same. You can do however you would like.
I'm just gonna watch you and try and copy.
You can do more than just 3 colors. I just picked this one. So should I pick the purple too?
Oh, I don't care. I like mine yellow, orange, and pink. I love the way it looks together.
Oh,
but I have real. Oh, you're doing light nail too.
I wanna do the yellow too.
And CC? Yeah, so email the team at info@glitz and such, and we sort that out for you. Make sure you email us with your order number, and somebody will help you with that.
Yes, we'll take care of you, CC. Okay, they're the same color. So pick just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Just
that's why I use the caps.
Yep, you use a cap.
I just get a little bit. I use a cap.
This is a little bit too much. Right? You still have a tacky layer. China, are you working with us? Just let me know. Thumbs up.
I lost my...
Can you check, see who is working together along with us?
No, I think they're just working and they don't have time to type.
Oh, okay.
This goes on so easy. Hi, Mama
Look,
Vic.
how do I wipe this off? Hi, Mama Vic. How are you? Happy Wednesday. Hope you all have a fabulous Wednesday. Look, I just use a little bit. I see just the screen doesn't show.
Hey, we look the same.
Hold on. See, so I'm just wipe it here. You see how all the pigment's gone now? See? So I can pick another one. Yeah, yours gone. Perfect.
Yeah. I just use paper towel.
Yeah, that's how I'm using. Just a little bit.
That'd be awesome, Chevin, if you do a box opening. And then just take Glitz when you do your box opening. Are you blending these together or just putting them next to each other?
Just take to each other so you can see it like have an ombre look. You can make an ombre like that too, you know?
Like you want ombre? I can do whatever you want. I'm just going to kind of go all around. I can't watch you.
Sure. You can do however you want. And then swipe it off. Remove all that pigment. I just do slow because everyone's are doing it with us can follows along. You know what? You can use the same techniques like this, and you can draw like animal prints with different colors if you want to. It's just
a little too far away.
me.
Oops. Go back. No, me. I just got a screen up and it won't go down. It keeps popping up. Go away. Oh my God.
Tap it.
Now I'm out. I'm watching you.
You done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Where am I? Am I still there?
You still here? You still in
Where
the
is-
screen?
I can't. I have a crazy pop-up that won't go away. It says live video ended. I don't even know what that is. But I can't make it go down the screen. Go down. You know how you swipe it down?
Mm-hmm.
It won't. It just keeps popping up.
If you need to, just close the app and reopen it, and we bring
know.
it back on.
You don't have to bring me back on it. I can't make it go away.
Yeah,
All right, I'll be right back.
I can hear you. I can hear you. It's like, can I get my unicorn brush?
And also, Alexandra, just go onto our official website at glitzsuccessandsearch.com and go to Subbox. Should be right up top. And we have different options for you.
Okay, I'll wait for a moment when Vicky. Hi, Mama Vic. All right, so great. You can be done.